Plunder Me Baby are pieces that are in an anthropological museum and are waking up and are realizing that they are in a place that they don't know what the hell it is. They are completely out of context. They are not with the people that made them. And they are having several different emotions. That's what Plunder Me Baby is. They have racial slurs as titles because those are the racial slurs that you hear a lot in Latin America, because we are very racist with ourselves. The whiter you are, the better you are. The darker you are, the worse that it's going to be for you. That is true everywhere. And they all have my face, not because I am narcissistic, which maybe I am, but because I was using racial slurs. And if I didn't use my face, I was not taking them on me. And it would have been as if I am saying it to somebody else. This mochica piece actually has this figure sitting over this round surface with the serpents in each side, and she's just holding very stiff, looking up like this. So when I was looking at the piece, I was thinking, if this piece would come alive, what would it do? And then I imagined that she was on a high shelf, and that all of a sudden she's waking up, and she's very upset from where she is, because she actually doesn't know where she is. She's confused, she's upset, and she, as you say, she's a very angry piece that is exerting so much of an effort that she's tearing her apart from the spout that is in the back. Their attitude at the end is, I don't give a dime anymore of, I know who you are, I know what you did, I'm not scared, what is your best, give your best shot. And that the pieces are defiant. At least that's what I hope they are.